Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you data communication and its components as well. Data communication. What is data communication? Communication of data means a message or data will be transmitted from one device and will be received in the destination or target device. There are total 5 components of data communication. Number 1, data. Number 2, sender. Number 3, receiver. Number 4, medium or transmission medium. Number 5, protocol. Now let's discuss them one by one. Number 1 is the data. The first component in a data communication network is data or message that needs to be delivered and received. Data or message can be of various forms such as text, audio, video, or combination of all these. Then comes the sender, the device that sends the data to the destination or target is the sender. It can be a computer, cell phone, and video camera as well. Receiver, the destination of a transmitted data is the receiver, which will receive the data. The device that receives the data that was sent by the sender is the receiver. A receiver can again be a computer, cell phone, video camera as well. Here I'll give you the example of Bluetooth sharing. When you share information or share your data with your friends, the device which is sending the data, that data can be an image or that data can be a file as well. When you share your information, when you share your data with your friends, now your device is the sending device and the device of your friend is the receiving device. Number 4th point is the medium, the physical path for the data to travel to its destination after being sent by the sender is the transmission medium. There are different types of transmission medium: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable as well. The last component of data communication is the protocol. Protocol are set of rules that governs the process of communication, that monitors the process of communication. This is like an agreement between the two devices to successfully communicate with each other. Without protocol, two devices can be connected but they cannot communicate or share their information. For example, the process they monitor, how the data will be sent, how the data will be traveling, how to handle errors that occurs during the process of data communication. Then now I'll explain you all this concept with the help of this diagram. Here you can see the diagram of data communication. One device, the laptop, which is the sender. The next device, computer, is the receiver. Then the information which they share, that can be a text, that can be image, that can be a video as well, is the message which they are sharing. A medium can be used to transmit data, physical medium, that can be a cable. And the protocols are the set of rules that will monitor all this process and that will govern all this process. So thank you so